Friends, hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily delete Instagram from Account Center. Don't forget to please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes to this video and also please write your comments. Well, let us be with you, friends. Let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open up the Instagram app itself, please. Next, go to your account and then at the top right, click on the three bars to open up your settings. Now at the very top, you'll need to go to the Meta Account Center. Next, please scroll down through them and select the option called Accounts. Now, friends, in front of the account, you will need to find the Delete option. It is unfortunately not available to everyone, not in all cases, so if you have it, you are very lucky. You can click on that Delete option. Then select the Delete option again. And just please follow the instructions that you will see on your phone screen. That's it, friends. You will be able to delete Instagram from your account center. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you around, friends.